Household Private Home Gymnasium helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. On this treadmill and exercise with it, you will lead a healthier and happier life. Large and heavy-duty construction. Driven by a 2.5 horsepower impulse max motor, 18 inches by 50 inches big rubber running bell, 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display, foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage, considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder, adjustable speed levels from 0 to 11 miles per hour, 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access, adjustable feet,